Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This evening I'm going to be making some non-dairy coconut yogurt. It is very easy to make. There's only 2 ingredients in it, but not only is it easy to make, it is so good and good for you. It's chock full of good bacteria that's good for maintaining good gut health. So let's go ahead and get started with it. Okay, tonight I'm going to be using probiotics and coconut cream. Those are the 2 ingredients. I use the canned coconut because I can't find fresh coconut readily in my area, and this one has the least amount of ingredients in it. I use these probiotics because this is the one that I use daily, but you can use whichever ones you choose and whichever coconut cream you so desire. So let's get going. Good morning. I had my coconut yogurt in the oven all night. I got up this morning and it is ready to be put in the refrigerator. As I shake it around, you can see it's a little loose. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the refrigerator so that it can firm up. And it will get cold and it'll get firm and it'll be the consistency that I like it for parfaits or just to have with some fruit. I'm on my way to work right now. After work, I decided to make a parfait using frozen bananas, blueberries, and strawberries. is salivating. I don't know about you guys, but hey, that looks delicious. So, let me get you guys, lift this up so you can see it. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? And doesn't it look yummy? So, let's try it. And I like to get a little taste of everything in there. That is so good. Coconut, blueberries, strawberries, and banana. Oh.